In coming to next one, properties. Now coming to next one, properties of S matrix, right? Now we have seen S matrix, nothing but scattering parameters, right? Now you have to say me first property. S is a square matrix. If you see the S matrix, if it is of order n by n, right? Now the first property of S matrix is a square matrix, and next property is S is a symmetric matrix, right? Now the next property of S matrix is S is a symmetric matrix. That means where Sij equals to Sji, right? You know the property of symmetric matrix where Sij equals to Sji. Now coming to next one, next property, S is a unitary matrix. Now what is meant by unitary matrix? Where S into S conjugate, where S into S conjugate, that is equals to identity matrix, right? Now S is a unitary matrix. Now that is given by S into S conjugate, that is equals to identity matrix. S into S conjugate, that is equals to identity matrix. Now coming to last property of S matrix. Now summation I equals to 1 to n, right? Sik and S conjugate of Sij. Now this is equals to 0 for k equals to k not equals to j, and this is equals to 1 for k equals to j, right? Now consider, this is the fourth property. Now consider I equals to 1 and k equals to 2 and j equals to 3. Now when I equals to 1, k equals to 2 and j equals to 3, now summation, what you will get, S12 into S conjugate of 1 3, right? S12 into S conjugate of 1 3. Now when I multiply this you will get it as 0, right? Now this proof for this particular property that I will say while explaining about microwave devices. Why? Because after finding S matrix only you can prove this statement, right? In that particular microwave devices we will find out S matrix for that particular devices, and I will prove this statement, right? When I is varying from 1 to n, where S reflection coefficient of kth port, input you are giving from kth port and output you are collecting from ith port, and input you are giving from jth port and output you are collecting from ith port. Conjugate of this particular will be 0 for k not equals to j. When k equals to j, product you will get it as 1, right? Now this is about the properties of S matrix. Now S is a square matrix, right, which is the order of n by n, and another property is S is a symmetric matrix. Now that is given by Sij equals to Sji, right? Now coming to third property, S is a unitary matrix, right? S is a unitary matrix. Now that is given by S into S conjugate, that is equals to identity matrix. And the last property is summation I equals to 1 to n Sik into S conjugate of Ij. When this k and ij are equal, this product you will get it as 1. When this product, when k and j values are not equal, this particular product you will get it as 0. This particular property proof that I will say while deriving the S matrix for microwave devices. Now this is about the properties of S matrix.